Hello. In this video, we're going to talk about Easysend integrations. We'll talk about an important common use case for integrating with other systems and discuss some benefits of doing so. Let's start by navigating to Easysend Services screen. Go to the main screen in your Builder's platform. Locate the Services icon and click on it. We're now looking at the Services main screen. Here we can create or import different integrations, such as File Storage Service, for uploading files to various storage types. REST API Service, for communicating with an external service through a REST API call. Computed Service, for calculating expressions or values according to the defined conditions. Email, for adding an email sending event as a part of the service. SQL Query, for running an SQL query in an external database. File Encode Decode, for encoding, decoding files with base64 or PGP. Code, for manipulating service data using JavaScript. Next, let's look at a common use case for integration. Often we're adding autocomplete functionality via a REST API integration for retrieving user data such as their full billing address from Google. When a user is filling in a form, their address information is completed automatically. Let's describe how to set up this integration. First, navigate to the Services main screen. Under the Integrations tab, click the Create button. We're now directed to the Input screen. Here we can create a new service. Start with inputting the name of the service. Add a new step by clicking the Add a New Step button. Next, select and click the integration you want to connect with. In our example, we're choosing the REST API service. Give the integration a name, and then click the Continue button to proceed. Now we'll configure the step with parameters and options. Let's start with the Request tab, where we can decide if we want to use authentication, set up the URL parameters, or select HTTP methods for RESTful services, such as GET, POST, or PUT. Next, click the Response tab. Here we can select the response content type and add new output. Once we're done with creating the service, we can now integrate it into the customer's digital journey. To do that, we'll need to configure the appropriate component. Now, whenever the customers input their address, the integration will autocomplete the country, state, and zip code information via the integration we just set up. There are numerous advantages to utilizing Easysend's integrations in your journeys. For starters, consider the better UX and the frictionless data flow that comes with taking full advantage of everything a digital ecosystem has to offer. Even better, you only need to set up these connections once, after which you can reuse those integration components throughout all other digital journeys and processes you've set up on the Easysend platform. That's all for now. See you in our next videos.